I do not know if this is a prayer. I know for a fact that this is an assembly of people who love God and who want to submit to God. What I do not know is if this is the beginning of my journey as the Senate President or if this is a despedida. Because unlike the office of the mayor, the office of the barangay chairperson, the office of the president, which are elected by the constituents, the Senate President serves at the pleasure of the majority of the Senate. For me, it's very significant because the number 13, in my limited knowledge of Hebrew language and culture, is about change, about a seasonal change. And yesterday, someone sent me that the shortest serving Senate President served for 13 days. No? So hindi ko alam kung matatalo ko yung 13 days o kung 7, 8 days lang po tayo.